Guys, I'm totally screwed. I'm totally screwed. Holy shit.
Northwestern Cherokee County in northeastern Texas until 8 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:09 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Boulder, or 10 miles southwest of White House, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near White House around 7:25 a.m. Central Daylight Time. ARP around 7:35 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Overton around 7:40 a.m. Central Daylight Time. New London around 7:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Liberty City around 7:50 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Kilgore around 7:55 a.m. Central Daylight Time. White Oak and Clarksville City around 8 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Warren City, Rolling Meadows, Teasville, Gilday, Keeley, New Chapel Hill, Love Hill, and Oak Hill. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating,